Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Chapter 16, playing with numbers. So how we will play with numbers, you will see exercise 16.1. So that find the value of the letter in each of the following are given reason for the step involved. So that question number 1, 3 A 2 5 that is plus, and then that is B 2. So what will be the value of A? So obviously that will be 7. That will be 7. 7 plus 5 12. Carry 2. Carry 1. 2 is here. Carry 1. 3 1 4 5 6. So that value will be 6. B value will be 6. Question number 2, 4A 9 8 and then plus 3B C. So that 8 plus 5 that will be 13. Carry 1, 9 1 10 14, that will be 14. B value will be 4 and C value will be 1. Third question, 1AA. Third question, 1AA and then multiply here, and then after 9A. So what will be the value of A? What will be the value of A? So that 6 ja 36. It means all the A is this one, and carry 3. 6 1 ja 6, 3 9. So that value will be 6. Fourth question, that AB 3 7 and then plus, and then will be 6A. So that 5 7 12, that will be 2. That will be 2, carry 1. So that will be also 2 because this is also A. So 2 plus 3 5 and 1 6. Question number 5, AB and multiply by 3. So that we will take the value of B 0. 3 zeros are 0. 3 zeros are 0, and then just weight is here given B A C. So 3 zeros are 0. So that value will be 0, and then after here we will place 5. 3 5 ja 15. So that is 5 has come. That is same, and 1. This will be the answer. Sixth, AB 5 and then multiply CAB. So that we will take here the value 0. That value we will take the 0. 5 zeros are 0. That value has come, and then this value will be 5. So 5 5 ja 25, and then carry 2. So obviously that has come answer 2. C value is 2. And then seventh question, AB multiply 6. AB multiply by 6. So that 6 4 ja 6 4 ja, and then B all are B is here. 6 4 ja 24. Carry 2. B, 4 has come, and then 6 7 ja 42, and then carry 2, 44. So that all the B has 4, and then that will be 6 7 ja. Eighth question. A1 1B, A1 1B, then plus, that will be B0, so that here will become B9, obviously 9 will become, so 9 1 10 0, then carry 1, so that 7 1 8 1 9, 7 1 8 and carry 1 9, so that will be 9. Ninth question, ninth question you will see that 2AB AB1, 2AB AB1, and then plus, so that 8 is coming here, 8 1B, so obviously that will be 7 plus 1 8, and then this will be also 7 4 11, that will be 4, 7 4 11, carry 1, that will be also 4, so 4 to 6 1 7, that will be also 7. 10th question. 1 2A 6AB, and then A09 plus, so that AB, so that will be 8 plus 1, 8 and 1 8 9, so here also will be 8, so 8 to 10 0, carry 1, 6 1 7 1 8, so that is also 8. Now you will learn test of divisibility, so that divisibility by 10. So how you will be define a number is divisible by 10 if the last digit is 0 or 0. If the last digit is 0, then we can observe that directly that number is divisible by 10. So this is the most important for your calculation. If you have learned the test of divisibility, you can do your solution very easily. So that first of all, 10 divisibility by 10. How you will be observe any number is divisible by 10. So that suppose written that 7 2 5 6 5 0. If the last digit is 0, then we can, that's by only looking that number is divisible by 10. So that is and then 5 divisibility by 5. If the last number is 0 or 5, if the last digit is 0 or 5, it means unit digit is a 0 or 5, that number is divisible by 5. And 2, what is the divisibility of 2? If the last digit is even, like this 0, this is the 5 divisibility, the unit digit will be 0 or 5, or here unit digit will be only 0. So that third is divisibility by 2. So that if the unit digit will be 0 2 4 6 8, it means even number. That one also divisible by 2. And then 3 and 9. So 3, sum of digits what is the sum of digits? That one, 7 plus 2 plus 5 plus 6, 5 plus 0, that is 9, 18, 26. 26, we can't, that the 26 is not a multiple of 3, not a multiple of 3, so this number is also not divisible by 3. And 9 also, this number is not divisible by 9, 26 is not divisible by 9, so that number is also not divisible by 5. And then divisibility of 11 is not given here, but I am explaining here, so that 11 is also prime number, so that if the even place, sum of even place, 7 plus, sorry, odd place, plus 7 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 17, and then even place, 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 0, 2 plus 6 plus 0 is equal to, that is 8, and then difference is equal to, that is 9. 9 is not divisible by 11, so this number is also not divisible by 11. That now the question 16.2 you will be see here. See that if 2 1 y 5 is multiple of 9, where y is a digit, what is the value of y? So that is 2 1 y 5 is given here. So that obviously if that sum will be divided by 9, then that number also will be divided by 9. So that will be right here, 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5 is equal to, or like this we can write here, is equal to 9. So that 5 to 7, 2 1 3, 5 8. So y is equal to 9 minus 8. So y is equal to 1. That is the answer. And then second question, similarly 9, that 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5 is equal to 9. So that z is equal to 9, 5, 6, 9, 9. So z is equal to 0. If 0 is there, then z is equal to 9 will be also, both are the answer. If you will write here 0, then that number also divisible by 9, and if you will write the value of z, then also divided by that number is 9. Now the 3, 2 plus 4 plus x is equal to, that is 3. So that x is equal to 3 minus 6. So x is equal to, that is minus 3, or no need to write minus 3 is there. So here you will be see by which number is this divisible by, so that will be x is equal to 0 also, 3 also, 6 also, 9 also, because this is the table of 3. This is the table of 3. Is divisible by 3. Fourth question. If this one multiple of 3, z is a digit, so that again that 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5 is equal to 3. So that z is equal to 3 minus, that will be 5 1 6 3 9. So that is z is equal to minus 6. 6 is a table of 3. So that z is equal to, that will be 0 3 0 3, and then 6, and then 9 also. So that I am again explaining test of divisibility. If you know that this number is divisible by 2 3 5 6, then your calculation will be very easy. Okay.